storms, and we'll just walk you through it. But the next 3 days, portions of the big country will have the potential for strong to severe storms. 20% chance for rain and storms tonight here in Abilene before 10 o'clock, 65 overnight, 91 tomorrow. 20% chance for rain and storms after 1 o'clock. Southerly winds tomorrow 5 to 15 miles an hour. No big problems down through the heartland. 61 with mostly clear skies tonight. Light winds ought to be a nice night. 91 tomorrow. A little bit warmer than today, but awfully nice. Here's our extended forecast. You can see rain chances every day, but Friday's the big day. We're keeping an eye out for strong to severe storms over the majority of the big country. 40% chance in the afternoon as the front comes in. 50% chance Friday night. But Saturday and Sunday right now, Johnny, look pretty nice. A little windy on Saturday, but still pretty nice.